The iPhone 15 is finally here. After months of anticipation and speculation, it's finally in our hands. Rumors were flying for months. New design, faster processor, everyone had their theories. The leaks got everyone talking. Each new piece of information added to the excitement. We've got our hands on the new device. The moment we've all been waiting for is here. Time to see if it lives up to the hype. Will it meet our high expectations? The box feels familiar, yet different. A blend of the old and the new. Apple always nails the unboxing experience. First look, sleek, premium, and exciting. The design is truly captivating. Let's dive into the details and see what's new. From the camera to the processor, there's a lot to explore. Every year, the iPhone pushes boundaries. The iPhone 15? No different. It's not just a phone, it's a statement. Apple's pushing technology forward yet again. This release is significant. It impacts the entire smartphone industry. Competitors will be watching closely. The iPhone 15 is setting a new standard. Get ready for a wave of innovation. Creating the iPhone 15 wasn't easy. Apple faced huge pressure. Global chip shortages, supply chain issues, and fierce competition. It's a testament to their team's dedication. They managed to deliver a cutting-edge device. It's a balance of new features and refinements. Apple knows what users want. They've managed to exceed expectations once again. Section 4. Unleashing the power features you'll love. Let's talk features. This is where the magic happens. The iPhone 15 boasts a new camera system. Photos are sharper, capturing every detail with stunning clarity. And low-light performance is incredible, making night shots look like they were taken in daylight. Video recording, smoother than ever, with cinematic quality. The processor is lightning fast, ensuring everything runs seamlessly. Apps open instantly, and multitasking is a breeze. Gaming is buttery smooth, with no lag. iOS 17 takes it to the next level. It's intuitive, feature-rich, and just works. The interface is user-friendly, making every interaction effortless and enjoyable. Section 5. The Game Changer. In this section, we delve into what truly sets the iPhone 15 apart from its predecessors and competitors. But there's one feature that steals the show, the new A17 Bionic chip. This is a game changer. It's not just another upgrade, it's a leap forward in technology. This chip isn't just faster, it's smarter. It brings a new level of intelligence to your device, making everything you do more efficient and seamless. It learns how you use your phone and optimizes performance for you. This is next-level innovation. Imagine a phone that adapts to your habits, ensuring peak performance at all times. The iPhone 15 isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. It's designed to redefine your smartphone experience, making it more intuitive and responsive. It's going to change how we communicate, work, and play. Whether you're sending a quick message, working on a project, or enjoying your favorite game, the iPhone 15 enhances every aspect of your digital life. This is the future of smartphones in the palm of your hand. With cutting-edge technology and innovative features, the iPhone 15 sets a new standard for what a smartphone can be. What do you think about the iPhone 15? We want to hear your thoughts and experiences with this groundbreaking device. Let us know in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable as we explore the impact of the iPhone 15 on the tech world. Stay tuned for our full review and in-depth comparisons. We'll be diving deeper into all the features and how they stack up against other leading smartphones.